Meditation is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years. It is a technique that helps individuals achieve a state of calmness, clarity, and relaxation. There are many different types of meditations, each with its own unique approach and benefits. In this video, let's explore some of the meditations that I personally love to do. I will be sharing with you their benefits and what makes each of them unique. Let's get started. Namaste. I am Gargi and you are watching The Aligned Souls. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul. Mindfulness meditation. This meditation is all about paying attention to the present moment. It involves being aware of your feelings, thoughts and sensations without judgment or criticism. To practice mindfulness meditation, you can sit in a quiet place, close your eyes and then focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. You can also practice mindfulness as you go about your day, and that is what I love about it. There are days when I'm unable to find time to sit for meditation. Then mindfulness comes to the rescue. To practice it, just be fully present with whatever you are doing using all your five senses. Almost everything that we do during the day can be done mindfully, be it brushing your teeth, washing your hands, eating your food, talking to your friends or exercising. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are washing your hands, then be aware of the sound of the water, the color and fragrance of the soap, the touch and feel of the soap on your hands, etc. You will observe that as you pay full attention to the activity that you are doing, you will have little or no thoughts in your head at that moment. Mindfulness meditation can improve concentration, reduce stress and anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. Movement meditation. Movement meditation involves incorporating gentle forms of movement into your meditation practice. This form of meditation is often associated with yoga. But it can also include activities such as walking, gardening, qigong, tai chi and other forms of slow and mindful movement. During movement meditation, the focus is on the present moment and the sensations in your body as you move. The goal is to develop a deeper connection with your body and your surroundings. I enjoy walking barefoot on the grass. It is during such walks that I do movement meditation. I become very aware of the way my feet are moving, how they are pressing against the grass and the sensations I am feeling on the soles of my feet, how the legs are moving, what all I can see around me and so on. This meditation enhances the experience of walking on the grass many folds. Do try it. Movement meditation can be beneficial for those who find peace in movement and want to cultivate greater body awareness. It can also be a good option for those who struggle with sitting still for long periods of time or find the traditional way of meditation challenging. Loving kindness meditation. Loving kindness meditation is a type of meditation practice that focuses on cultivating the feelings of compassion, kindness, and goodwill towards oneself and others. During loving kindness meditation, the practitioners typically sit in a comfortable position and visualize different groups of people, including themselves, their loved ones, acquaintances, and also the people they have negative feeling towards. As they picture each group, they silently recite specific phrases or affirmations such as, "May you be happy," "May you be safe," "May you be healthy," "May you live with ease," "May your life be full of abundance." Its purpose is to generate feelings of friendliness and warmth towards oneself and others, which can promote a sense of connectedness, reduce the feelings of social isolation and loneliness, and improve overall well-being. Studies have shown that a regular practice of this meditation leads to an increase in positive emotions and improved relationships. Loving kindness meditation is suitable for individuals of all ages and levels of meditation experience. It can be particularly helpful for those who struggle with feelings of anger and resentment, as it encourages the development of more positive and compassionate attitude towards oneself and others. Chakra meditation. Chakra meditation is a type of meditation that focuses on the 7 energy centers or chakras in the body. These chakras are believed to be spinning wheels of energy that correspond to different areas of the body as well as spiritual and emotional states. Each chakra is associated with its own sound and color. And the goal of the chakra meditation is to balance and align these energy centers to promote overall well-being. There are meditations that work on individual chakras only, and also the ones that focus on each chakra one at a time, starting from the root chakra at the base of the spine and moving up to the crown chakra at the top of the head. As we focus on each chakra, we visualize the corresponding color and repeat the affirmations or mantras associated with that chakra. Chakra meditations should always be done under the guidance of a teacher, and I am so grateful to my dear friend and teacher, Moshmi ji, from whom I learned them. Body scan meditations. Body scan meditation is a type of meditation that involves scanning the body from head to toe, paying attention to every sensation and feeling in the body. It improves body awareness, reduces stress, and promotes overall well-being. During the body scan meditation, you have to begin by bringing your attention to the breath and allow yourself to settle into a relaxed state. Then focus on different parts of the body, starting from the crown of the head and gradually moving towards the toes. As each area is scanned, observe any sensations that arise, whether they are physical sensations like warmth or tingling, or emotional sensations like tension or relaxation. The goal is to bring a non-judgmental awareness to each area and simply observe what is present in the moment. I love to do the body scan meditation when I experience some pain or stiffness in the body. It helps to relax and loosen the body completely. During that relaxed state, it is very easy to release the pain. Sometimes I am able to do that and sometimes not. Whatever be the case, it gives an immense sense of relaxation. It is ideal to be done after a long and tiring day. When I am very tired, I usually doze off during the scanning. It is usually a small nap, just 10 to 15 minutes, but it's very energizing, and once I am awake, I do the scanning again with full awareness. Guided meditation is a type of meditation that involves following a guided meditation audio recording or video. It can help improve focus and concentration, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote overall well-being. Guided meditations typically involve a narrator guiding the individual through a series of visualizations, breathing techniques, or affirmations. This type of meditation is often used by beginners or those who find it difficult to meditate on their own. Having said that, it can be done by anybody. I love to do guided meditations. Guided meditations can be done individually or in a group setting. It is a great way to explore different meditation techniques, as many guided meditations are available for free online or through meditation apps. I started my meditation journey with guided meditations and still love to do them. My first one was a 15-minute meditation by Sister Shivani. It is a very deep meditation. I will share its link in the description below in case you want to try it. Meditation is a practice that can benefit you in many ways, whether it is reducing stress or anxiety, improving focus or concentration, and promoting overall well-being. There are many types of meditations, each with its own unique approach and benefits. By exploring these different types of meditations, you can find the one that works best for you and your goals. Thanks a lot for watching, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body, and soul.